morning, garden tube. I don't know why my camera's crooked, but it is. So here's the deal. This is my veggie garden, but I guess I'm not watering it enough. So, as you see, I got a pea back there. Don't mind my nails, I'm in the process of fixing them. And then I got a pea over there. And I got some carrots. I don't know where you can see them. The thing's right in the way of that. And I'm fairly sure a lot of that is weeds, but I don't know what. I planted a bunch of lettuce over there, and then I planted bell peppers over there. The onions didn't come up at all. So I think I gotta pull all that crap because they're weeds. And then I need to do those carrots because they can't all be growing together. They won't grow properly. And I thought I had some basil coming up, but I don't know. I don't know what I got going on. There, you can see the carrots now right there. Where's my finger? Right there. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Should I pull all that stuff and then replant? Or should I just, maybe I'll just plant some more carrots. I planted my Thai basil in there. It was already a full-grown plant. And I do have a bell pepper. So maybe I'll just plant that in there too. In the corner or in the front where the onions were supposed to be. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to try to plant the tondies. I'm going to try to plant those again. And these. These are the ones that are growing, so I'm going to plant some more of those as well. We'll see. Alright, so we'll see how that does. I planted the tondi, the Danvers, and some more scarlet nantes. I'm not going to plant any more lettuce. It's supposed to be all along there. Maybe I should plant a couple more peas in the back. Get that one to come up. I don't know if you heard me, but that is a cucumber. check back in a while and see. Thanks for watching. The Inconsistent Gardener. I'll see you next time.